بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ. Dear audience, today our video topic is speech on 6 September and Defense Day in English. Respected principal, ma'am and dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today we gather to commemorate the bravery and sacrifice of our armed forces who defended our nation against all odds on this day in 1965. We pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives for our freedom. We remember the heroic deeds of our soldiers, sailors, and airmen who fought valiantly against a much larger enemy. Their courage and determination saved our country from invasion and occupation. Dear audience, we honor the memory of Major Aziz Bhatti, Major Shabir Sharif, and all the other heroes who were awarded the Nishan-e-Haidar for their extraordinary bravery. Dear audience, we also recognize the sacrifices of our soldiers who suffered injuries and hardships during the war. Their contribution will never be forgotten. Defense Day is a reminder of the importance of unity and solidarity in the face of adversity. It is a testament to the strength and resilience of Pakistani nation. We also pay tribute to the families of our martyrs who have borne the loss of their loved ones with courage and dignity. Your sacrifices will never be forgotten. We remember the role of our Air Force, Navy, and Army in defending our country. We salute the pilots who flew sorties and sailors who patrolled our seas and soldiers who fought on the front line. We also recognize the contribution of our civilians who supported the war efforts with patriotism, and dedication. Your effort helped to keep our country united and strong. Defense Day is not just a celebration of our military victories, but also a reminder of the importance of speech and diplomacy. Dear audience, as we celebrate Defense Day, we also remember the lesson of the 1965 war. We remember the importance of preparedness, the value of unity, and the need of external vigilance. We also remember the sacrifices of our allies who stood by us in our time of need. We thank them for their support and solidarity. Today we face new challenges and threats, but we are confident in the ability of our armed forces to defend our country and protect our people. We are proud of our military's achievements, from the heroic defense of Lahore to the courageous battles in Kashmir. We are proud of our nation's resilience, from the bravery of our soldiers to the generosity of our civilians. Let us continue to stand together as one nation, united in our pursuit of peace, prosperity, and greatness. Dear audience, let us honor the memory of our martyrs by building brighter future for ourselves, for generations to come. Long live Pakistan, long live our armed forces, long live our great nation. Dear audience, in conclusion, Defense Day is a celebration of our nation's courage, resilience, and determination. It is a reminder of the sacrifices made by our heroes and tribute to their memory. Let us continue to draw inspiration from their examples and strive to build a Pakistan that is worthy of their sacrifices. Let us work together to promote peace, stability, and prosperity in our region and beyond. Let us never forget the lesson of the 1965 war and always stand ready to defend our country and our people. Pakistan Zindabad. Paigam-e Amn. Pakistan, long live, message of peace. Dear audience, let us work together to build a stronger, more prosperous Pakistan for future generations. Let us work together to build a brighter future for our country where our children can grow up in peace and prosperity. Long live our great nation. Long live Pakistan. Long live our armed forces. Thank you very much. Dear audience, do you like this video and speech? Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.